Tell them to bring me my money.
This video is not financial advice, only a source of good information.
And the good information today, we're going to be talking about the best stocks for 2021 in the financial sector again. And we're going to be talking about banks that also service as investment companies. And I'm going to show you how to make money in the Webull and Robinhood platforms. But since I'm doing that, don't you think it's only fair that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell? I do. Let's get into the video. Now, before we get started, there are a couple of things that I need to read to you. Like the top 10 investment management firms, I'm going to read 5 of them. UBS Wealth Management, Credit Suisse, Morgan Stanley Wealth Management, Bank of America Global Wealth and Investment Management, JP Morgan Chase. If you saw the last video, you remember JP Morgan Chase. Now, what is investment management? I'm glad you asked. Investment management refers to the handling of financial assets and other investments. Not only buying and selling them, management includes devising a short or long-term strategy for acquiring and disposing of portfolio holdings. It can also include banking, budgeting, and tax services duties as well. The term often refers to managing the holdings within the investment portfolio and the trading of them to achieve a specific investment objective. Investment management is also known as money management, portfolio management, or wealth management. The basics of investment management: professional investment management aims to meet particular investment goals for the benefit of clients whose money they have the responsibility of overseeing. These clients may be individual investors or institutional investors, such as pension funds, retirement plans, governments, educational institutions, or insurance companies. Investment management services include asset allocation, financial statement analysis, stock selection, monitoring of existing investments, and portfolio strategy and implementation of investment management may also include financial planning and advising services. Let me just stop right there. A lot of these things you can actually do yourself, but passive investors choose to have other institutions do that for them for a nominal fee. I, on the other hand, believe that you should educate yourself and be able to do these things yourselves. It's not that hard. It's just a lot of information. Back to the video. So, I need to explain what an investment bank does. They handle mergers and acquisitions, they raise capital, and within those 2 different sections, there are different things within that, okay? One, within mergers and acquisitions, they control the pricing, the negotiation, the valuations, advancement of funds. They act as the middleman between the security issuing company and the buyer. Within raising capital, they handle sales, trading, equities research, trading securities, commercial banking, and sometimes they also do a little bit of retail banking. Now, we are going to jump into the Webull platform, and this is the #1 investment management firm, UBS. Now, in the Webull platform, we are on, this is a candlestick chart, but it's not just a normal candlestick chart. It's a Heikin-Ashi candlestick chart. They're great because what they do is they take the averages of the candles that came before them. Those make it easier to spot uptrends and downtrends. Now you see back in, when was it? March, that we had the Black Swan event where the markets went down. And you clearly see where the markets went down by the red candles with that down pattern. But you can see that it also went right back up. And in the Webull platform, you also see the RSI, relative strength index, you see the MACD, moving average convergence divergence. And what we did is we switched it over to monthly. So these candles represent months. Now they're representing months. Now what I want to look at is what level this particular security needs to break through to see some, what I will refer to as substantial growth in the stock price. This will happen. Once it breaks through this level that I've lined here, it can actually break through to higher highs. So that's what I'm looking for. More than likely, it's going to happen. Now what I'm doing is I'm looking at a minute chart. This is after hours. Now, that was earlier in the day. This is after hours. That's one thing I like about the Webull platform. You see that long green candle? That depicts institutional investors coming in and buying up the stock. Obviously, it went up, just like I said it would. See the RSI, the MACD, they're going almost parabolic. So this is one good thing about the Webull platform. Now let's jump into the option chain. So say that I wanted to actually purchase a cash secured put. Now what I would do is I make sure puts are selected. Okay. The next thing I do is I select a price, $12.50, because I know that the security trades within a certain range. Now, what I'm saying is that if the price of this security goes down to $12.50, then I'll purchase 100 shares. If not, I still get to collect my premium. Now, you see that arrow right there? As long as the price doesn't fall beneath $12.50, I'll just collect my premium and go about my business. But if it does and I'm assigned the shares, that's okay too. Because guess what? I still get to keep the premium. That's the wonderful thing about cash secured puts. You get a premium regardless, and you get a stock that you really like. Now we're going to jump over into the Robinhood platform. Now, the only thing about this is they don't have after hours trading. So you got to do it while they are trading. So we're going into the platform. You hit sell put. Choose the price as we did on the other one in the Webull platform. It was $12.50. We're going to choose the $12.50. But the problem is within the Robinhood platform, they do not have after hours trading. So here it's depicted as 1. They will more than likely update their prices in the morning. That's the issue with Robinhood. But don't worry, they'll update in the morning. They're just a little tardy to the party, as I would say. Now, what did we learn in this quick video? We learned about investment management firms. We learned about cash secured puts in Webull. We did the cash secured puts in Robinhood. You have 2 different ways to do it. Same result later on in the process. Whoa, what is that? That is the music? I don't know how I missed that. But guess what? It's time to go. I will see you on the next video. I got another one coming up. We're going to continue diving into the best stocks for 2021. Take care. I'll see you next time. Slow nickel, fast dime.